everybody, and welcome back to my channel. This video is like literally so exciting for me to make. I was going to sit down and have this like big show and it just be cute and fancy lights. Anyways, I was going to make it really nice, but I'm too excited. I cannot wait. And so I'm just going to show you and we're going to go from there. So this video, I'm going to be introducing my new little shop on Etsy, and hopefully, you know, it'll take off and be not just on Etsy, but for now, that is where I'm going to be selling. And it is called Kamae Co. So, or just Kamae for short. I really wanted just Kamae to be the name, but that was a little too difficult. So I just settled on Kamae Co. And if you didn't know, Kamae is my daughter's middle name. We heard the name in high school and loved it, but it was spelled different. And so we had to figure out how to spell it. And anyways, I just thought it was really sweet and it just worked, you know, for this brand and for, you know, what I was doing. I thought it just worked. And a little while ago, I started, you know, making something, which I'm not going to tell you what it is yet because it's also coming next in my shop. But I was making it for YouTube actually. And when I got it done, I was like, yeah, I'm going to sell these. I am going to make a business with this because this is perfect. This is the time. And literally I just started ordering product. I started ordering everything. You can go on Etsy.com and it'll be Kamae Co. I'll just go ahead and leave the link down below because it is a little bit difficult to like type it in or to search for it. So you can just click on the link down below and it should take you straight to there. So I'm starting out with only earrings for the moment, and then we're going to transition and like add some more things. And it is going to be macrame for the time being. I don't know if I'm always going to be like a little macrame shop, but for now, everything is handmade by me. And I'm like shaking because I'm literally just so excited. Like, I have worked on this for months and like put so much work into this. Like, you would not believe how much work goes into something, but here we go. Okay, so these are the current earrings that I have got available. Y'all, okay, I'm so excited. I'm going to go in close on them. So these are the feather earrings, and these are the large size. So, I mean, you can see like up against my finger how big they are. They hang about 3 inches and about 2 inches wide. That is what size these are. And then we've got the mini, which is this one and this one, and they are for mommy and me. That's what I originally designed it for. So, you know, your baby, your kid and you can match, and they come sold in a set, or you can buy them separately if you just want like smaller earrings. These are 2 inches long and 1.5 inches wide. And then there's another set of feathers to show you. And then we've got the teardrops. So these come with charms. And you don't have to get the charms. That is just something that I've added. I have 3 charms available, and the first one being the Alabama. So people who like aren't from Alabama, you know, I'm sure you're probably not going to want that, but I just did it because I thought it was absolutely precious, and you cannot deny that is too stinking cute. And so they hang inside this little teardrop, and then we've got the star. And if you didn't know, Stella, which is my daughter's first name, means star, and so stars are really precious to us over here. So anytime we have like a time to incorporate a star into anything, it is just our symbol of her. And then we've got the leaf, which I thought was perfect for fall. I absolutely love the leaves. And so each of these, the ones with charms, are $20 a piece. And then the feathers, the large size, are $16, and the mini size are $14. And if you get the mommy and me set together, it is $28. Now, then we've got the triangles, which this is coming off the thing. Oopsie daisy. Okay, that needs to go back in there. Well, we ain't gonna worry about it right now. So these are the triangles. Y'all, I'm absolutely obsessed with these. I have a very limited quantity on these because it is hard to find the upside down triangle. But they are too cute, and they are a little on the thicker side, as you can see, but they're not heavy. I haven't really, my ear holes were pierced very, very low, and these do not bother me one bit. And so they hang like that. And then here's a yellow one. As you can see, these I have had made for quite some time, so they need to be fluffed. And then here's just the regular teardrop. So this is the charm ones without a charm. So if you don't want any charm, you can just get these. And This one is 18, the triangles are 18, and these are also 18. Okay, so now getting into the details of the products and like what is actually, you know, holding them together and that sort of thing, and why I chose my price that I did. The earrings themselves actually hang on 14K gold filled wires, ear wires, and so that's what these are right here. They're not, you know, just bought in bulk of the cheap little flimsy ear wires. These are actually stamped with 14K GF, which means gold filled. And if you don't know what gold filled is, it is still considered a precious metal, but there are so many different variations of like gold. You know what? There's pure gold, then there's gold filled, and then there's gold plated, and then there is just looking like gold. But the gold filled essentially is dipped, and it's got a barrier of gold around like a base metal, and I believe these are brass. I'm not 100% certain, but they are the outer layer, and anything that is gonna be touching you is gonna be gold filled, and it's gonna last a whole lot longer than gold plated. Gold plated is the ones that typically rub off and become like kind of bronzy looking, or they get dirty looking really quickly. These will not do that, so they are pretty good quality. And I was really excited to be able to offer that instead of just like, you know, regular old ear wires from Hobby Lobby or something. Which ain't nothing wrong with that, but I just wanted to be able to have something a little bit nicer. And also, any of the jump rings connecting, I don't know if you can be able to see on here, any of the jump rings connecting, the charms are also 14K gold filled. I just wanted those to be a little bit better quality because they are holding the charm. I don't want, you know, them to like rust out or anything. And then the charms themselves are actually made of brass or gold plated. The Alabamas, I believe, are just fully brass, and the leaf and the star are gold plated. So eventually they might tarnish over time, but that's not really what's going to be touching your skin. And so, you know, just gentle care will be good. And same for the teardrop like pendant itself and the triangle pendant itself. Those are both gold plated as well. So if you notice them start to tarnish, you can, you know, start to clean them a little bit better, or just, you know, take a little bit better care of them. You know, not many people like actually put care into their earrings, but it is a thing. You know, just wipe them down gently, especially if they touch your skin. And then the rope is 100% cotton rope and is all kinds of different sizes, depending on, you know, what I'm making. And you have these color choices to choose from. I will go through. This is the color Maple, and from what I'm looking at, like, this kind of matches everything, you know, according to, like, it's pretty true to color is what I'm trying to say. So this is the color Maple. This is black. This is white. This is also Maple. This is Cinnamon, Sage. This one's actually called Storm, but I made a mistake. No. Yeah, it's actually called Storm, but I made a mistake and called it Smoke, and so it is now called Smoke. Smoke, and then this one is Rose, or just Rose, because I didn't put the little accentuation over the E, so we'll just call it Rose. And then we've got Mustard. Both of these are Rose as well. And so this is what I'm going to be offering at the moment. I'm super proud because literally this has just been like so fun to be able to like learn and figure out what I was going to make. And, you know, I'll just go ahead and hold them up. I'm not going to put them in to show you the size. So this is the mini. If you can see that. That is the mini feather. These are the triangles. If I can get the next one. These are the regular size feather. And these are the teardrop pendants. So you can see like about where they're going to hang. That is what I'm starting out with. I've got limited stock at the moment. So please go check it out. And yeah, I'm honestly so excited. I just can't even believe that I'm actually doing this. Like, it is so exciting. I put so much work into it, and I've just been working really hard. So yeah, I've got my little earring cards. I got those in black and white, and I'm so happy. Like, this is everything I've wanted to do. They just didn't know where to start, I guess. And it just kind of happened. Like, it literally just happened. I've been working so many late nights and early mornings and like just all days. And it's amazing. So go check out my shop. And at the least, if you're not going to purchase anything today, favorite it. But like I said, I do have limited stock, so I don't know when, I'm going to be able to get some more things in. For now, this is what I've got. So go buy me out. I will be doing international shipping. Just unfortunately, it is just ridiculously expensive. And the cheapest that I can get it is $15. Don't even think about like rushing it because it's like $60. Now, if you want to rush your order, by all means, spend that $60. But I just want y'all to know, if y'all click on there and look at that, don't really think that I really want to charge you that. But that's just a whole lot of money. So yeah, if you spend more than $35, you get free shipping. And what else? That's about all I can say for now. I'm going to have more videos coming out of like, behind the scenes, like other things that I'm doing. And just a little bit more details about things. But for now, that's what we're going with. And you can see this piece in the background. I'm sure this is a wedding backdrop I'm in the process of making for my friend. Her wedding is October the 10th. And this is going to be her backdrop. So I'm excited to get this finished. It's almost done. This knot's coming out. I just saw that. But I'm actually filming a behind the scenes on this piece right now on just, the process it took and like, my process in making a piece like this. And, whoo-wee, my Roomba sucked up some of the cords. But anyways, that is not what this video is about. Just please go support me and favorite my shop. Share this video, I'm going to go on the Facebook page and make a post. Go share that post. Share whatever you can about it. Share my link to Etsy, whatever you want to share. Like, I'm just so excited and so blessed and so thankful, that I can do something like this. So, yep, hope you have a great day and God bless.